Jeremiah Campbell here with Brickworks Property Restoration. Standing behind me here is the historic Masonic Temple, and I have the lead engineer, Wade, here to talk about some of the stuff that we've done behind us at this building.
Sure.
So Wade, how did you find us?
Well, to be honest, I went through a lot of references in Detroit, talked to a lot of different building people. At my last place of employment, we used you guys. And you've always been very professional, good, and I like your work.
I appreciate that very much. This is by far one of the coolest projects that we've ever worked on. I mean, when they finished this building in the 1920s, they actually used the trowel that George Washington used to set the corner piece on this building. And to be chosen as the contractor to come out here, we've done lintel replacement, we've chased waters, we've rebuilt the top of the chimney, just to name a few. Mm-hmm. And how was your experience when hiring us?
Very pleasant. Your office staff was right on the ball, always answered the phone, returned my calls right away. You guys were out when you said you were going to be. You did everything you said you were going to do, and even more, a little extra work there. And then cleaning up and making sure the job's done and cleaned up and taken care of makes my life a lot easier.
We appreciate it very much.
No problem.
And if you have a building in Detroit, you have a building in the suburbs, give us a call today or click the link below and let us earn your business as well. And if you've never been down here to the Masonic Temple, go on their website, do yourself a favor. They offer tours, so go on their website, take a look, sign up, and take a look at this historic building.
Nobody does it better than Brickworks.